Open the Start menu and type GP Edit to access the Group Policy Editor. Once there, under User Configuration, expand Administrative Templates, then Control Panel on the right side. Find Prohibit Access to Control Panel and PC Settings. Double-click it and set it to Not Configured. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the editor and try accessing the Control Panel again. It should now be available. If you have Windows Home and do not have access to the Group Policy Editor tool, you can make changes through the Windows Registry. First, open the Start menu, type regedit, and run it as Administrator. Then, navigate to the following path, also listed in the video description: HKE_current_user, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then CurrentVersion, then Policies, then Explorer. In the Explorer key, find a value named NoControlPanel. If it doesn't exist, create it by right-clicking on Explorer, then selecting New greater than DWORD 32-bit value and naming it NoControlPanel. Set the NoControlPanel value to 0 and click OK. Finally, close the Registry Editor and restart your PC, or restart Explorer by opening Task Manager, finding Explorer, right-clicking on it, and choosing Restart. And now test it, and it should working. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.